150,000% APY, meaning my 1,000 investment could turn into 1.3 million in 12 months. An opportunity to earn a Genesis NFT, but we'll have to move fast. And I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to buy some Rome and send it over and get staking. What's going on, guys? My name's Johnny Chaplin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not financial advice. I'm just doing a personal experiment, seeing if I can go from £1,000 to £1 million, and I'm taking you guys along the journey with me.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero.
So my last video I mentioned about Rome DAO finance, and today we're going to take a look. Because of my goal of getting £2,000 a month passive income and reaching £1 million at the end of the year, I believe I've got to be really quite aggressive with my investment strategies, and also I've got to have a high risk tolerance.
Health, wealth, love, and happiness.
That's why I'm doing it, so you guys don't have to. In a typical investment world, let's just say stocks, a nice 7% yearly annual return is something people get excited by. However, with this project and with these DAO forks, this one in particular has 150,000% APY, and every 8 hours it rebases, earning you compound interest. So what are my predicted numbers wise? From my $1,000, I'm predicted to have a 10% return on investment in 5 days. So far it's been 3 days and the price has gone up 30%, as well as the rebasing. I'm now up 60% in 3 days. So this is pretty crazy. This is what I'm saying about DeFi. It has some ridiculous results. When I get to $2,000 in the account, I'm going to remove my initial investment off the table and look to invest it elsewhere and leave the rest as the project grows over time and see what the compound interest does. And I'll keep you guys updated with it.
Go up, show 'em my coconuts.
Now to talk about that Genesis NFT. At the minute, NFT is a trigger word. I'm pretty sure in 2021 it was literally the most searched crypto term. I think it even went higher than Bitcoin. So obviously you being able to earn a free Genesis NFT from staking like £80 might be a good idea that you might want to try. I'm doing it, so I'm going to show you how to do it in a tutorial at the end of the video if that's something you're interested in. However, I'm not telling you to do this.
In life, everyone has a choice.
I'm doing it just because I'm interested in gaining that NFT, because the utility could be great.
There's no value, it's a bubble.
What do I mean by that? Well, as the platform gives you staking rewards, I believe that the NFTs will have a utility of additional staking percentages. That's why I think the value of these NFTs will be really high, because if someone's got £1 million and they get an additional staking percentages, they're willing to pay a lot of money to be able to get that NFT from you, especially if they didn't join the campaign when you did.
Tomorrow, you're going to be able to go out and buy a Lamborghini.
So that's another exciting factor, and that's why I think the price has gone up 60%, because coming up to the 3rd of January, that's when the campaign launches, and you have to be involved within the campaign to be able to get these Genesis NFTs. Additionally, if you've got more money, up to I think £100,000, there's a tiered chest and they give you different ranked of NFTs as well. I can leave a link to the website underneath where you can see the whole Medium article and you can read exactly how much you need to invest for each tier, but it's worth checking out. That's going to be a wrap for the video. Basically, I've just told you about why I'm investing, what sort of things are going to trigger the price to grow. The reason why I chose Rome over Wonderland Time is because it's got a smaller market cap. However, I will be doing videos on Wonderland Time and Heck DAO, so look forward to those. If you want to keep track of how my investments do, then subscribe to the channel, put bell notifications on, and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching. The tutorial is coming up next. So if you're a complete crypto newbie, I suggest downloading Coinbase. There'll be a link in the description. You need to come onto Coinbase, download it, install your card details and everything, and you need to go from pounds to crypto, USDT. So what you want to do is however much you want to buy, you put your pound value there. You'll be able to buy once you've connected your wallet to it. Once you've done that, you'll need to click send or receive, and it's going to ask for address and how much you want to send. So the secondary thing you need to do is you need to sign up for a KuCoin account. I recommend doing this as this is the best place for buying all your cryptocurrencies, because Coinbase only has bigger cryptocurrencies. The smaller ones, you need to have KuCoin. So sign up for KuCoin. I'll leave another link in description. Then you want to come over to assets. You want to click deposit, main account. You can either set USDT, recommend, deposit this, and then it'll give you an address. make sure it's ERC20. So you click copy, and you come back to the Coinbase and you paste the address there. I don't have any USDT, but I'm just using it as the easiest example. So yeah, you use the address that you got from KuCoin and you send it through on Coinbase. You click continue and then it will send you to KuCoin. USDT is pretty instantaneous. So then once you're sat there, you'll have USDC in your account on KuCoin. You'll have to move it from your main account to your trading account to be able to buy on the market. So this way you just click transfer from main account to trading account. It will be your USDT and an amount. You'll be able to click here and it'll click a max amount, confirm. There you go. And then you'll have the money, USDT, in your account ready to buy some Moonriver. So you'll go over to the markets and then you want to search for Moonriver or Mover. And then this will open up the market tab. When you're setting up, you'll get told to input a trading password, so that's what that was there. So don't let this market confuse you. It's quite simple, really. You just want to look at the bottom here. You don't want to be looking at margin, futures, or anything. You want to be spot, and to be able to have your order fulfilled quickly, just click on market, best market price. So that'll just give you, it'll just fill the order wherever the price is at the minute. So then you want to enter the amount that you want to buy. Down here in these tabs, it will tell you exactly what you've got, and then you'll be able to put max or 75% or of whatever you've sent to your account. Once you've done that, so let's just say you got $200 worth, you click buy mover, and that's it. Your order's been successfully placed. So then finally you're going to need install MetaMask. Click download, and then this will come up. It's a little plugin for Google, and you're going to need to add Moonriver as one of the networks. So you've got MetaMask downloaded, you've gone onto Rome DAO. When your MetaMask installed, it will have you on the Ethereum mainnet. You'll come over to here, you'll click to switch, and then it'll add Moonriver mainnet to your MetaMask. Then on this Moonriver, this is where you want to send the mover to. So you click copy account, you go to your KuCoin. Here you'll have to transfer from trading account to main account. Drop this down. You want to send mover, one mover, confirm. And then this will be in your main account. Then from here, withdraw. Then you want to open your MetaMask on the mover mainnet, copy to clipboard, and then paste in the wallet address. Network, it's going to come up with the mover network, and then max, you can just copy and paste this. Right, so once you've gone through all of your two-factor and your safety information, it'll click successful. So that's done. Right, and then we'll go over to Rome. So now you can see that the one mover is in my wallet. You'll come onto the Rome DAO finance website, and then you click buy Rome. You come onto SolarBeam, which is a DEX, so decentralized exchange, and then you will have to go mover to Rome, click max, or you want to save some because you need mover for transactions, so we'll just do 1 and I'll get 0.4 Rome. So that'll be roughly $180. Wait, let's just see how much to be able to join the campaign. Need 0.33, so that's 0.79 Rome. So what you do is swap, and then this is just telling you about the fees. Confirm, and this will pop up in your MetaMask. Confirm. If you haven't already, if you're new, obviously add the token to Rome, add the Rome token to your MetaMask, and then you'll be able to see it. So now the transaction's pending. There you go. So the swap's complete. You'll now be able to look at assets, and you've got 0.33 Rome in your MetaMask account. To be able to join the campaign, you need 0.33 Rome in your account, and you need to go onto the Rome Finance website, click on the campaigns tab, click on houses, and stake 0.33 Rome. Then you come onto the Rome website, click on campaigns, onto house, and then you pick your house, you pick your name, and you'll pick whether you want to be cavalry, etc. Then you put in stake 0.33 Rome, and you'll be able to stake it, and then that will be you joining the campaign. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying go out there and invest in it. That's just what I'm doing.
Oh, it went to zero!
And I'm doing it for your entertainment and I'm doing it as a little experiment for myself to see if I can achieve this crazy goals using crypto and other investment strategies. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you stuck around to the end, you're an absolute legend. I hope this helped, and remember to smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next one, you boys Gunskis.